Edo Governor Obaseki don call on leaders across the country to democratize education and reduce education divide wey dey create dangerous situation for Naija. Oga Obaseki yarn this one when he received members and executive of Federal Government College Benin City for one courtesy visit for Government House Benin City. Governor Obaseki come talk say to transform education for Naija, everybody need to dey involved sake of say the education system for the country dey crisis and say the dropout rate of children between primary 6 and SS1 don reach almost 50%. E come still talk say dem benefit from better education system and that na why they need to work together now to make our education system work.
I want to highlight that you have to be part of a group to advocate for the proper education transformation in Nigeria. Our education is in crisis because our education managers in this country have messed things up. When you went to school, Federal Government Girls College was supposed to be one school, right? From class 1 to class 5, isn't it? It was supposed to be a secondary school. 25 years later or ago, that policy was changed. And there was supposed to be 2 schools, a junior school and a senior school. But like in most parts of the country, that policy was not followed by real actions because these schools were still commingled. You have your school and a very strange animal whereas you're supposed to produce 2 schools with 2 separate governance arrangements, you still have one all mixed up as a whole. So where it's, we don't know what's going on in that closed environment. And the bulk of the kids that are going to be produced are going to come into the workplace. So you can understand why we have this confusion and crisis in the educational system in Nigeria. We found out that the dropout ratio of children between primary 6 and SS1 is almost 50%. Yes, that accounts for all the Alaye boys and the people being trafficked across the country. So I haven't benefited from a very robust educational system and policy. I think it behoves on all of us today to put pressure on the authorities that are in this country to make sure that beyond rhetorics, let's rethink and rebuild our educational system in Nigeria. Because without which, we will not be able to attain the goals and also optimize the opportunities God has given us.
Leader of the delegation and wife of Edo State Governor Betsy Obaseki, wey be old girl of the college, come through a salute to the governor wey take receive them and come also chook mouth on the ogbonge development for the state, especially for the education sector.
Thanking God for today, and my classmates are all excited and happy that we're celebrating our school's 50th year, and a former girl of the school happens to be wife of governor in the state, so that it's a special blessing. We recognize it and we really thank God for it. It's an expansion and reconstruction of a sick bay and upgrading to a primary health center. And all of the areas that the principal wanted lit up are all fully lit up. As of 2 days ago, he completed the project. So thank you so much.
Member, Board of Trustees, FGGC Benin City, Christy Okumbo, and Principal, Federal Government College Benin City, Agedo Samudi Amekon give accolades to the governor for the ogbonge transformational development for the education sector and come also thank him for upgrading the sick bay to primary healthcare centers and for the street lights wey input for the school.
Federal Government Girls College Benin was established on the 15th of October 1973. From then till date, the school has nurtured ladies who are ranked amongst the best and are making waves in all spheres of life, both locally and internationally. We are groomed to be the best, and I'm confident to state that Your Excellency can attest to the erudite, dynamic, intelligent, purpose-driven qualities of the Fediban girl as exemplified by your wife, our beloved First Lady of Edo State, Her Excellency Betsy Obaseki, who is not just an alumnus, but one of the foundation students of the school.
Thousands of students have walked through our doors, including our amiable First Lady and others, as our great products have been that have come to boast in our society. Your Excellency, we are grateful for all the work you have done, apart from the one done in the States, but through your wife, that have been done in our school. Our school has been a beacon of knowledge and inspiration, nurturing young minds.
Other Ogbonge people wait and for the visit now. Secretary to Edo State Government, Osaudion Oge Esquire, commissioners, among others. Make una not forget say, as we see am, now so we dey talk am. We know they take blame. From Government House, Benin City, Ekata Ojesuli, TMC TV News.